Hey everyone, welcome to Playtime with Auntie Carol. Today's video we are going to go over fall decoration, specifically focusing on the coffee station. I have a small coffee station, so I wanted to show you guys how to work with a small coffee station as well as a bigger one. I'm showcasing my sister's coffee station. She has a bigger space, so wanted to implement two different styles as well as space. So keep on watching if you want some ideas on how to decorate your coffee station for the fall festive theme going on. So this is my small fall coffee station bar. As you can see, I try to bling it up a little bit, make it a little bit of fall glam here. The acorns are from Hobby Lobby and the sparkly white pumpkins are from Target last year. They used to have it in the dollar section. Don't know if they have it this year. This cup was my favorite. It was a TJ Maxx find and I got just today. So I'm super excited that it all worked well and blended well with my new little coffee niche. Here's a sneak peek of my mug drawer. How cute are these s'mores hot cocoa mugs from Amazon? So now we're diving into my sister's coffee station. As you can see, her style is a little bit more glam, rustic. I love this board that she has and she found. This is her coffee station. I actually gifted this to her for her housewarming gift. And now I'm going over all her wonderful things she has going on in her coffee station. I love the way she set up her little hot cocoa station with a lot of different cute sized jars, and her sign says hot cocoa served here, enjoy a cup of cheer, with a little bit of a glam touch going on for the photo frame. So she really did try to implement different styles, which I love, and I love this pumpkin spice and everything. She definitely made the space very functional and just aesthetically pleasing as well. A fun bonus idea is to add a little bit of color to your kitchen. This I got from TJ Maxx for only $3.99. It's a great fun way to add some color into your kitchen, and because my coffee station is in my kitchen, I want to make sure it's also festive when I'm doing the dishes and things like that. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.